Hello and welcome. My name is Patrick Stafford, JP's uncle. I am both honored and touched to have been asked by Winnie and JP to be the officiant for today's ceremony. And I'm glad that you are with us to share this most special day. JP proposed to Winnie on the bow of a private charter while cruising the Charles River at sunset. The smiles and expressions that you can see on the pictures taken by the captain show a love, a happiness, and a joy that could not have been matched.
It's perfect. Oh. That's beautiful.
Thank you. Oh my God.
Oh, Winnie. You are the most beautiful bride ever.
John Patrick, this isn't the first vow I've written for you. A few years after we started dating, if I couldn't fall asleep at night, I would fill my mind with words I may someday say to you. For example,
Classic.
For example, you bring out the strength and courage in me I never knew existed. You comfortably take me outside my comfort zone. You always make me feel enough the way I am.
It's a bit of a cruel twist of fate that I met you so shortly after my dad passed. I would have loved for you to have met him. And I know he would have loved you and your family.
You're the most compassionate human I've ever met. I love to come home to you. It's where I feel safest. You take care of me even on the days you're most tired. You're always so selfless. Everything you do for me is out of pure love.
I love how much you care about your friends and the people you love. I love how even before we are married, you have embraced what's mine is ours. When taking my french fries even though you claimed you didn't want any. And when deciding that my half of the bed is actually our half of the bed.
I love you beyond all of these words. I can't wait for more adventures and treasure hunts. You're my best friend, my safe place, my husband.
In the presence of your family and friends, it is my honor to declare you married. JP and Winnie, you may kiss each other.
I had always dreamed that the man Winnie married would be a rocket scientist, a nuclear physicist, and a medical doctor. But sometimes you have to settle for 2 out of 3.
Mom and Dad, even though I moved away for college and then moved even farther again because of my husband, don't take that as a sign of me trying to get away from you. I miss you, Tia, Bess, Daniel, and my Mia so much. And I lean on you guys for everything. Thank you for everything.
This is for Mom. Thank you for being the greatest mom that I could ever ask for. You are just an incredible inspiration to me every single day. And I might not tell you that enough, but you are. So, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I now introduce to you For the first time as a married couple, Winnie and JP